Okay, lesson number 5, Suwarus Salihin, images of Salihin. Salihin means righteous, 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 images of righteous. قال الشيطان, the devil said, فَكَيْفَ حُزْنُكُمْ عَلَيْهِمْ, so how is your sadness on them? How is your sadness on them? عليهم, on them. قالوا, they said, shadid. Shadid means too much. We can say shadid means intense. Shadid means intense. INTENS, intense. Shadid, intense. قال وكيف اشتياقكم إليهم. He said, Shaitan said, وَكَيْفَ إِشْتِيَاقُكُمْ. Ishtiyaqun means missing, है ना? How is your missing to them? How is your missing to them? It means how much you miss them. Missing also we can say yearning, YEARNING, yearning. So how is your missing to them? And how much you miss them? قالوا, they said, Azim, great. Azim means great. Major, we can say major or mighty. Qalu, they said, Azim, great. Qala, Shaitan said, Walimada la tanzuruna ilayhim kulla yawmin. Walimaza, and why do you not look at them? Why do you not look at them kulla yawmin, every day? And limaza means why. قالوا, they said, it means they replied, وكيف السبيل إلى ذلك وقد ماتوا. وكيف السبيل, and how is the way to that? It means to visit or to look at them every day. So that, how is the way to that? وقد ماتوا, while they died. قال, he said, اعملوا لهم صورا. اعملوا لهم, not creation. Okay. اعملوا, they said, قال Shaitan, devil said, اعملوا, make lahum suwaran, their images. Lahum means here we can say lahum, for them images, it means their images, है ना? اعملوا لهم suwaran, make their images. وانظروا إليها كل صباح, and look at it. إليها, at it. كل صباح, every morning, every morning. وأعجب الناس برأي إبليس وصوروا الصالحين. أعجب, we can say أعجب, no, أعجب, أعجب. And people, the people impressed, yeah, people liked, है ना? People impressed برأي إبليس, from the, yeah, with the, ba means with here, with the idea of the Iblis, है ना? رأي means here idea. There hila means idea, and here ra'yun means idea, but hila means bad idea and ra'yun means good idea. برأي Iblis, with the idea of Iblis. وصوروا الصالحين, and they made the images, الصالحين, they made the images of righteous people, है ना? صور means to make image. وَكَانُوا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى هَذِهِ الصُّوَرِ كُلَّ يَوْمٍ. See, here they made, Shaitan came here to the people, okay, how was that people and that people and that people. The people said, yes, they are no more now, but they were very good, huh? They were very good. So then Shaitan what said? Shaitan said, okay, why you are not looking every day? Why you are not looking at them every day? So they said, okay, how it's possible? They died, they are not here. So then Shaitan said, okay, make some images for them. Their images you can make and you can see every morning. So this is done. وَصَوَّرُوا الصَّالِحِينَ, they made the images of righteous people. وَكَانُوا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى هَذِهِ الصُّوَرِ, and they were looking at this picture kulla yawmin, every day. Hazihi means this. Suwar, images, plural. Suratun, singular. Suwar, plural. So because of suwar is plural, है ना, तो we can say these, not this only. So وَكَانُوا يَنْظُرُونَ, they were looking at these images كُلَّ يَوْمٍ, every day. وَإِذَا رَأَوْهَا ذَكَرُوا أُولَٰئِكَ الصَّالِحِينَ. وَإِذَا رَأَوْا, رَأَى يَرَى means to see, है ना. وَإِذَا رَأَوْهَا, when they see them, ha means its, only we can say its, it means their images only. وَإِذَا رَأَوْهَا, when they see it, zakaru, they remember, أُولَٰئِكَ الصَّالِحِينَ, those righteous people. So here chapter number 5 we have finished.